Welcome back once again on our Tuesday evening. Hope you had a great day. It was cold once again, got a lot of sunshine once again, but again, tough to be outside for very long when it is cold as it is, even during the afternoon. First alert weather headlines, what do we have for your short-term Arctic cold? That's good news. Remember way back last Monday, we were looking at days and days of cold. Now I've got a couple more left and then we start to really warm things up. In fact, by the weekend in the 30s, a couple areas might even see the 40s. And by the time we get to Monday, I think just about all areas getting in those 40s. Also an opportunity for a little bit of light mixed precipitation. We'll talk more about that in a minute. Odds are relatively low, even if we do see anything, not going to amount to much. But just letting you know that potential is there. Wind chill forecast going to stop here right around 11 o'clock this evening. You can see wind chills 20s, 30s below. Something we're getting pretty accustomed to after the last, again, week and a half. The last two mornings in particular have been very frigid. Going to have one more of those overnight tonight. Jumping ahead to tomorrow morning, we're going to stop around 7:15. Again, 30s, 40s below across the entire region. A bit of a warm up by the time we get toward tomorrow afternoon. Again, beautiful sky this evening. It is now 4 below in Fargo, 6 below in Moorhead. Northwest wind 7 miles per hour, making it feel like 18 below. In Grand Forks, great looking way to end the day there. 2 below your temperature, 18 below is what it feels like with that north wind of 9 miles per hour. One spot left on the board here that's above zero. That's Baudette in our region. 2 below Grand Forks, 11 below Langdon. You see a lot of anywhere from 5 to about 10 below across the board. First alert forecast. Moving through the overnight hours, we're going to find that those temperatures, obviously, as you might expect, going to get even colder out there. Clear sky. We'll start to see a few clouds creep from east to west back over the region, kind of low pressure in Canada, some clouds working, spinning behind that. We're going to get winds relatively light out of the northwest, picking up a little bit tomorrow. Not a lot, though, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. We're going to call it partly cloudy to mostly sunny, depending on where you're located. Our temperatures tomorrow, for the most part, going to stay right around zero either way for the high temperatures tomorrow afternoon before clear skies and getting colder again tomorrow night. So look at our highs tomorrow afternoon. We got 6 above Grand Forks, 2 above in Fargo, 4 Roseau, 3 Bemidji, 1 Thief River. I'm pointing out the spots that are actually going to be above the zero mark, 1 in Wadena. Other than that, the rest of the region generally about 1 to 4 below. So again, things are warming up in very small increments here tomorrow and then Thursday, then bigger jumps ahead for your Friday and weekend. Again, snow, rain, freezing rain chances increase a little bit. Sunday night looks like the best chance, about a 20 to 30%. But again, want to keep an eye on this because if we do see any of that precipitation, could come in the form of some freezing rain because those temperatures are actually warming up. In fact, take a look at our temperature transition, taking you a couple days ahead. Yeah, we're still cold, but we get into the weekend, we're seeing temperatures in the 30s. Again, the beginning of next week, we're seeing temperatures in the 40s. So the Arctic air retreats 8 to 14 days out. We continue to see late February, early March, likely above average temperatures. Here's how it looks. Stay safe and get away with like just 2 more really cold days. We get past that, then we're at 20 on Friday, 35 and 39 Saturday, Sunday, 41 Monday and Tuesday. We're going to back up just a little bit, as you saw just a second ago, to the second half of next week. But even then, we're still in the 30s.
You just said late February, early March, staying above normal.
I know. At least for now. And dramatic pause.
Let's say it again. Like we'll say it again at the end of the show, and then we'll say it again for the next every day. That's the best news we've had in a long time.
I'm gonna go over there and just keep saying it all by myself.
Please, please do. Thanks. Well, with the warm up on the way, we know many of you will be looking to get outside, and when you do, you can check this out. These snow sculptures are at the POW MIA Plaza in West Fargo. They've been put in place for Frostival. This is the 3rd year Jay Ray and the North Dakota Snow Sculpting Team has formed snow sculptures for the event. Last year, the theme took on Bigfoot. This year, it's a dragon medieval theme going on. You'll want to check these out soon, though. They will stay up until they're melted.